Hey y'all, we're doing an unboxing today. So I finally bit the bullet and bought myself a new Christmas tree. And for all of you who don't know, I have my tree up from September through December. Yes, I do a fall tree, I do a Halloween tree, and then I have my Christmas tree. But I bought this off of Amazon. It's a Naomi, a 7.5 foot Naomi Home Cynthia Rustic Christmas tree. 7.5 feet. That's what my other tree was. I've had it for 8 years. I've replaced the bulbs on it every year. By the way, thank you for stopping by my channel. I am Grammys, also known as Kim. And here we do just about everything. Cook, shop, unboxes, tell tales, lots of toys. So welcome to my channel if you're new. Thank you for stopping back by. If you've been here for a while, I appreciate it. So first thing we're going to do is we need to unbox this. We need to plug in my rotating Christmas tree stand. This I unboxed last year for the holidays. So I'm going to get this plugged in. So I need to get this unboxed because I've had it for a few weeks and I want to say, what is it, 30-day return? So I need to get it put up even though it's July 26th. It's July 26th today. But I don't want to have it and then it doesn't work and then I'm going to be upset. And I have so many travels and things going on next month that I thought I did deep clean, rearrange all my furniture. I should have brought you along for that, but that was something right there. But let's get this unboxed. All right, I got my handy dandy steak knife that I never use. And they're old and dull, that's why I use them so much. I don't ever use them on meat. Even though they are washed in between me doing this. Here we go. There she is in her glory. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Alright, so this is what it kind of looks like. So you got kind of like the real feel. It feels more, what do you call it? Almost pokey, like a real pine tree would be. And then of course it has the ones that we're used to. It's on hinges. This is the top. All right, set this over here. And this is the bottom. You can tell by, because it's the pointy thing on the end. You can tell by the pointy thing on the end. Right here. Okay. Oh, there we go. Alright. Oh, God, it's heavy. Woo. Alright. Let's get this out of the way. I might. Oh, I think that's what's going on. Alright, look at it. Oh, it's got somebody's fluff in it. Y'all, look. It's got somebody's fluff. Ugh. Okay. Wait a minute here. Okay, relax there, y'all. Gotta get you in here first. Oh. Yeah. It's like, let me go. All right. It's a big boy. first things first. It says to put it all together first, but I want to make sure before I do all that it is going to work. Ooh, we got some lights, y'all. We got some lights. The only thing I don't like is that we have to plug each one of them together. So, that's lit up. Boy, I'm breathing hard on that one, aren't I? All right. And then, all right, where's the cord? Here's the cord. So I want those to line up. Get in now, no. Uh-oh. Hope that wasn't a bulb. Here. They told me I need my glasses on for this. Oh, there we go. Just that on. Looks crooked. Y'all, this isn't going to be as full as my other tree. I'm not sure I'm going to like it. All right, well, it's working. We like that part. All right, I have to go get the ladder because I'm not going to be able to reach the top. This up here. Like so. All right. You remember the days we used to get a really nice tree if it wasn't that expensive, but it still saved you a lot of money instead of buying a real tree? I think those days have sailed. Probably a long time ago. Of course, like I said, I haven't bought a new tree in 8 years. Just fluff it up like what I can see right here. The good thing is I have a lot of big ornaments, so these gaps are going to probably benefit me. The only thing I don't like is all these wires. What? Oh, come on. The kitten stays out of this tree so I can find it a new home. Alright, so see if we're touching the wall. Doesn't look like it. Let's see how it goes. It's not fluffed up yet, y'all. Let's see. To be honest, I don't think that's a 7.5 foot tree. I don't know what you guys think. And there's some pretty big gaps in there. But it is lit up, so I'm happy about that. What is hitting that wall a little bit, so I'm going to pull it out just a little. But I'll probably work on fluffing it up and maybe, but I'm not really happy with this situation right here. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. See how it goes. All right. All right, I think I got it pretty much fluffed out. So, what y'all think? Is it worth $200? Seems like there's a lot more lights up here than down here. But it fluffed out pretty nice. I think it's going to need more fluffing. It's brand new. It's going to take a lot more fluffing. But I do like, look down here, y'all. Let me zoom in. Can you see the floor? There's barely any needles on the floor. My other tree, I mean, you had to really suck up all the needles. There's barely any needles down there. So, I don't know. Look at it. It's pretty. We see a couple little holes, but that's normal, and you can fill that in with ornaments and things. But I'll fluff it as I see things over the next month before I start decorating it, because I have to get everything out of the attic, and it's too hot. So let me know what you think. This was $227, I believe. So thanks for coming along with me for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like, I would appreciate if you would subscribe. I'd love to have you with the rest of the family. Y'all take care. To my bubbies, I love you so much. I will see you real soon. You be good, and you be good to your parents. Bye. This is what it looks like when the lights aren't on. I think it looks good. I think it matches the description. It looks extremely rustic, has different colors and textures. And yeah, I'm a fan. I'm a fan.